Hey, .NET developers! I'm Dottie AWSome, here to help you learn AWS. In this video, I'll explain how to choose the right AWS Compute service to host your .NET application. I don't know if you've noticed, but we really do have a lot of services on AWS. It's good to have choices, but how exactly do you narrow down which compute service to use? If you ask the right question or two up front, you can quickly get to an answer. And a key question to ask for hosting is, which unit of compute do you want to use? You can choose between 3 units of compute: virtual machines, containers, or serverless functions. Choose the one you're most comfortable with. Virtual machines are digital copies of physical servers. Containers are smaller, portable application packages. Serverless functions are code that runs and scales automatically in response to events. To work with virtual machines, you can use Amazon EC2 to provision virtual machine instances, load balancers, auto-scaling groups, and network resources. That's a self-managed experience where you set things up yourself. Or, for a managed experience, use AWS Elastic Beanstalk, which will handle the provisioning details and give you automatic patching. To work with containers, you can use Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, or EKS. That's a good choice if your organization has standardized on Kubernetes. If you don't want to use Kubernetes, choose the Amazon Elastic Container Service, or ECS. Both services can run both Linux and Windows containers. To work with serverless functions, you can host your function code on AWS Lambda. If you're creating an API, combine AWS Lambda with Amazon API Gateway to secure and scale your API. As you can see, knowing your preferred unit of compute helps you get to the right services. For a comparison of AWS Compute services, visit the AWS Compute page at aws.amazon.com/compute. For all things .NET on AWS, visit the .NET on AWS Developer Center at aws.amazon.com/.net. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the cloud.